Hey fam! To all the pretty girls out there, you are so naturally beautiful and be proud of your skin and complexion. At the same time, when we are going out for a party or a function like a wedding, it is okay to have some makeup on your face to be more photogenic and to stand out in the crowd. Otherwise, it would be so normal and casual. Like special outfits for special functions, makeup also have a small space in party looks. But for those who are new to this world of makeup, it would be very difficult to identify the best and the suitable products for the skin and complexion. It would be a Herculean task, and during this task, it is more likely to make mistakes and buy wrong products too. So instead of buying wrong, worst, and pointless products and wasting your money, here I am to help you out, all the beginner babies, in finding out the right and the relevant products that is suitable for your skin and complexion. Welcome to my new video, and in today's video I'm going to discuss about the basic makeup essentials required for a beginner, and without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing of utmost importance is a moisturizer. A moisturizer suitable for your skin will always keep your skin more hydrated when the makeup is on, and it will also help your skin look more natural and non-cakey. Also, when the makeup is on, it will dry up, and this moisturizer will help your skin to be protected from this drying up of the makeup. When you are applying a moisturizer on your face, do not forget to apply it all over your face and cover it completely. If you leave a little space, that space will be harmed. I am using these two moisturizers in my routine before putting on the makeup, but I always prefer this one, the Biotic one, because it is having a more hydrating effect and a cooling effect. The next item is a primer. I too possess a primer, and this is it from the brand Blue Heaven. A primer always helps to keep your makeup long lasting, and it will never let your makeup go off. But I am not a primer person every time because I do like the tired looks when I am tired. I don't like applying primer all the time when I am applying makeup on my face. The third item is a foundation, and it is a must-have in every makeup lover's kit. A foundation forms the base of your makeup, and foundation will always give you a pure look and a perfect base for your makeup. But finding out the correct shade of a foundation is really a big task, and once you identify your correct shade which is suitable for your complexion, then you have conquered the world of makeup, I would say. I too possess a foundation, and this is the foundation that I have. This is from the Maybelline New York, and this is Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation. I have already done a review on this foundation in one of my videos. You can check that out. I will give you a card about this video, somewhere about this video. So just go and click it out and find out what are the benefits and what are the pros and cons of this foundation from that video. The next item is a concealer. A concealer covers the dark blemishes and black marks from your face. This is the concealer that I possess. This is from the brand Wet n Wild, and it is suitable for my skin complexion. You should always try a concealer which is suitable for your skin and your color. Also, it would be a great asset if you have such a suitable concealer for your skin type, and if you have dark circles around your eyes, this concealer, like any concealer, would be a very great blessing for you people. The next item is a powder. A powder sets the base, that is the foundation, concealer intact on your face. Also, it determines the long lastiness of your makeup. Right now, I am using this powder. This is from the brand Maybelline New York. I really suggest this one to all the people around there because this is really a nice powder. Also, it is very pocket friendly. I really love this one. The sixth item is an eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadows give elegance to your eyelids. I don't insist you people to buy eyeshadow palette right now as a necessity item, because I don't think that this is a necessary item for a beginner's kit. But if you love to buy an eyeshadow palette, you can always go for it. There are a lot of varieties of eyeshadow palettes available in the market. You can go and find the perfect one from the range, And this is the one that I possess right now as an eyeshadow palette, and I am not a regular person who uses eyeshadows, so this is the only one that I have right now. And if you learn the technique of how to apply this eyeshadows on your eyelids, then you can be a pro or a master of makeup, because this is really a very big task, applying eyeshadow on your eyelids. That's it. And eyeshadows are not a must, but if you love to buy them, you can buy them. The next item is an eyeliner. Pens, gels, pencils, kajal sticks, whatever it is, a kajal or an eyeliner always defines your eyes and it gives more elegance to your eyes. I don't want to tell more about these eyeliners to you people, because I know that this is very familiar for you, and these are the eyeliners that I use. According to the purpose, I choose the right one, like whether it is a pencil or a kajal or a liquid eyeliner. And that's it. Eyeliners are a must in a beginner's makeup kit. The next item in the list is a mascara. To define your eyelashes or to highlight your eyelashes is a function of a mascara. This is the mascara that I use in my makeup. I don't insist you people to buy a mascara as a must buy in the beginner's kit, because this is not a must buy in the beginner's kit. But I insist you people to change your mascara once in a while, because your eyes are so important and mascaras can get damaged easily. The next item in the list is lipsticks. Lips are essential. Without fuller lips, you will never get a complete makeup look. But with lipstick on, you will get a very different look. Different shades of lipsticks gives you different looks. So it is very important to choose the right shade appropriate for the function or the situation. Lipsticks, lip crayons, lip glosses, lip liners. There are a lot of lip products available in the market. Even if you miss on lip gloss and lip liners, don't miss out lipsticks. Lipsticks are so essential. These two are my favorite lipsticks from my collection. This is from Wet n Wild and this is from NY Bay. I really love these very much. Last but not the least, we need brushes and sponges to apply the makeup onto your face. We can blend a foundation and concealer using brushes and sponges, but at the same time, to apply powder and eyeshadows, we need brushes. There are a wide range of brushes and sponges available in the market. So before buying the right one, whether it is a brush or a sponge, you should do a little bit of study. So before you buy makeup products, if you are a beginner, make sure that you do a little bit of investigation and ask suggestions from a person who knows very well about makeup or a person who is a makeup lover, because you shouldn't make mistakes. All the makeup products in the market are costly. You shouldn't buy wrong products and waste your money. The prices of all the products that I have mentioned in the video is given in the description box. You can check them out also. I will be doing a makeup tutorial video based on all these products in the future, so that you can identify how to use this properly. Thanks for watching this video till this end. Hope you enjoyed it, even though it was a little bit lengthier. Subscribe my channel if you like this channel, and also follow me on my Instagram. The link to my Instagram account is given in the description box. You can check it out also. So thanks for watching, and till the time of next meeting, take care and bye.